Hello everyone, I'm Sean Arensol from TM5A, and today I'll share you the things I've learned in cruise, leisure, and recreation tourism. Cruise ships are not just modes of transportation, they are floating hotels with stair rooms, entertainment halls, restaurants, and even casinos. Every space on board designed to maximize comfort and luxury, from simple cabins to high-end suites. Behind the scenes, the crew has private areas where they work and rest, ensuring that all guest needs are met. Public areas like reception, lobbies, pools, spas, and dining halls create unforgettable guest experience. In the Philippines, ferries plays a vital role in connecting over 7,600 islands, supporting both local travel and tourism. Ferries ranges from small bangkas to super ferries that travel across major ports. Globally top cruise lines like Disney, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian offer unique experience from family adventures to luxury gateways. The cruise industry also opens doors for exciting careers in both hotel, operational, and ship navigation. Cruise is truly where travel meets leisure and luxury at sea. Thank you.